Hey guys, here are the 5 things that you know but forgot to use, and once you start using them, it will boost your usage. So let's get started. Starting with your phone signal, it's awesome when talking with people on phone, but the problem comes when you end up getting that voice breaks and lags due to low signal. So here comes the Wi-Fi calling feature, which is a few clicks away to get it. It will continue to maintain that better call quality by switching between your phone signal and the Wi-Fi signal. Next is the call forwarding feature, which allows you to forward your calls to any number. This will be useful if you run out of battery and need to attend the urgent call. For this, go to call settings and then call forwarding. Here you can find options to when to forward your calls, when it is busy or unanswered or unreachable, or you can forward all your calls. So select any option and enter the number that you want your calls to be forwarded. From then, you don't need to worry about missing a call. It works. Next, if you're a person who sees social life and personal life differently, then the multi-user feature will help you out. You can create users according to your needs, like one user for personal and other for work or for your social media, just like me. It gives you an experience of using two phones combined into a single device, which uses the same hardware and the software, but for a different use. Even you can have a guest user if you want to limit the access to your phone when you give your phone to someone. But remember, this will cost you a bit more of your memory, storage, and also your processor. If you can't afford that, don't worry, there comes the screen pinning feature, which allows you to limit the usage to a certain app. So, to get out of the app, you need to unlock the phone again. It is very useful when someone asks your phone to call or to use a certain app. This will keep your privacy in your box. Last but not least, the accessibility settings. It's not one, it's a plenty of settings. It will help you to customize your audio, visual, and interaction control. In this, I use two features more frequently. One is select to speech. Once you turn it on, you will get a body icon in the navigation bar. So when I am too tired of reading any text on my phone, I can listen to it with just 2 taps.
When select to speak is on, you can tap specific items on your screen to hear them read aloud. Start select to speak. Then you can tap a specific item like text or an image. Drag your finger across the screen to select multiple items. Tap the play button to hear everything on screen. Select text that appears inside the camera view.
And also you can listen to text on any images by turning this on. Next is the magnification setting, which helps you to zoom in anywhere on your screen with a triple tap. And you can swipe through the screen with 2 fingers. This is very helpful when apps don't allow you to zoom in. It sucks when you are playing games. That's a different story. So that's it for the video. If you think the video is useful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.